This video covers the unboxing and installation of the EVOS Onstage Incubator, OSI-2. Begin by removing all OSI-2 components and accessories from the shipping box. First, remove the accessories tray from the top of the box. Remove the power supply and power cable. Remove the environmental chamber. And lastly, remove the control unit. Next, remove the environmental chamber from its packaging. Remove the foam packing material to access the three individual components of the environmental chamber. Remove the master stage plate, tools, and bolts from the accessories tray. Place the incubator chamber onto the master stage plate, ensuring the orientation matches what is shown here. Note the 4 mounting holes on the bottom of the master stage plate. Secure the master stage plate to the environmental chamber using the 4 2mm hex screws. Next, remove the existing stage plate using the provided hex key. Remove each of the 4 bolts securing the stage plate to the stage. Install the master stage plate and environmental chamber onto the stage with the perfusion ports facing towards the front of the microscope. Secure the assembly with the 4 thumb screws. Install the heated hose to the incubator chamber and control unit, ensuring the end of the heated hose with the cable connection goes to the control unit. Plug the hose heater cable into the heated hose connection. Next, plug the female end of the sensor data cable into the incubator chamber and secure. Connect the male end of the sensor data cable into the control unit. Plug the power supply output into the power input jack. Plug the USB 2.0 control cable into the USB control cable jack. The other end of the cable will be plugged into the M7000 computer. Connect the gas tubing for each of the required gases into their specific ports. Plug the power cable into the power supply and the outlet. The system may now be powered on and configured for use.